what is going to happen. But when I saw in the morning, I was very, very happy that what we started is giving very good results, making foundation of this bank stronger. Let me share with you some of the highlights. Our operating profit means all those steps we have taken for reduction in expenses and rebalancing the business, that is very much reflected. In September, operating profit was 634.99. It increased to December 726.54, and in March quarter it has increased to 965.37 crores. That is 32.87% growth. Is a remarkable growth. Second point, we were telling about cost of deposit. Continuously, each quarter it is reducing. September quarter it was 8.11. Last time I shared with you that it has gone down to 7.96, a reduction of 15 basis points. And this quarter it has further reduced to 7.71%. Net interest income has increased by 8.26% this quarter. NIM is continuously increasing. March quarter 14. March 14 it was 1.91. September it was 2, and December it increased to 2.06, and this quarter it has increased to 2.26. One very good thing I noticed, our cost to income ratio compared to December 46.47%, it has gone down to 40.32%. NPA is slightly reduced instead of increasing from 4.88% of December to 4.81% as on March quarter. And net NPA ratio has also gone down because we have made more provisions from 3.27% to 3.08. And one very good thing, that provision coverage ratio has increased because we could have shown more profit, but instead of that we prefer to make more provision. So it has increased from 52.47% to 55.34%. Some more things I share with you. Operating expenses, which we have been talking, and Mr. Vinayak also wrote something about that. YOY basis, that has reduced from 19.79% to 5.57%. It's a very good achievement of the bank.
Difficult times, the bank has been focusing on the core area, where mainly on the operating profit and the rest on the long-term deposit. Main income is from advances. The interest on advances, the growth is 12.03%, and interest on others, it's 18.96%. And non-interest income, in the core area, the growth is 5.36%. The net interest income is year on year, its growth is 7.58. Operating profit for the quarter to quarter, it is 51% increase. It stood at the quarter March 15, it is 965 crore. As against when we compare with the December quarter, it is 726. That sequential quarter growth is 32%. And the advances, you can see agriculture, which is the focus area, and we have shown 20.41%. And coming to the retail scheme is another focus area, which is 12% growth, and wholesale trade is 44%.
Yeah, what you are talking, I think, about net profit going down. The main reason is increasing NPA. You see, the NPA last year has increased, and provisions had to be made because all bulk advances they were falling. We were not exception. But if you see the industry as a whole, we are better than that. In this quarter also we have made it still better. So if you see across the banks 5%, 6%, and in our case it is 4.81%. And you will see that most of deposit is continuously coming down. In September quarter it was 8.11%, December it went down to 7.96, and now it is coming down to 7.71. Major reduction in growth in operating expenses in spite of increase in branches, in spite of increase in ATM, in spite of increase in staff, in spite of giving a big promotion. You know, number of promotion in last year were the highest in the bank, in the history of the bank. There also, when the promotion is there, the perks are increasing, salary is increasing. So in spite of that, all these things, we have not stopped any perks of any employee in the bank. Only thing is avoidable expenses. I can say with certainty why a bank is now on the right path. That I can share with you. This is my inner feeling, and you can, as an analyst, you know better. You can go through the results.
dividend also 70%.
Dividend 70%. That was, we wanted to retain, but government said pay, let us pay that. We have come out with 70%. That's also a good thing. This bank has been paying dividend constantly, and with board grace, we are able to maintain